Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can download JMeter into your computer in a very simple way. Before that, you just need to download Java into your computer. I already made a video about how to download Java. I will give you the video link into the comment section. So now what we're going to do, we're going to go for our Google Chrome browser. You can choose any of your favorite browser. And now here you can simply search for JMeter. You will get the suggestion JMeter download, and then here you will get a website called jmeter.apache.org, and here is a download Apache JMeter. So if you click on that, then you will get Apache JMeter 5.6.3 binary release. Here is a binary release and source. We're going to download Apache JMeter 5.6.3 zip folder. So if you click on that, and you can see the download has been started, and it is about only 86.4 MB. For that, you just need to keep patience. And you can see the download is completed. And now if you click on this folder icon, and here you find the zip folder over here. So if you click on that, and if you just simply extract it, click on the right mouse button and then go for extract all. After that, extract it over here, and after a little bit of time, it will be extracted. For that, keep patience. You can see that the extraction is completed, and now here is your Apache JMeter extracted file. So what we're going to do, we're going to select that file and going to cut it from here, and going to go for the local C drive, go for the program files, and here we will going to extract it or paste it over here. So you can see we are going to click on paste and then click continue. After that, here is your Apache JMeter is rightly faded into your local C drive. So now if you're going to open it, go for Apache JMeter, and now if you go for the bin, and then here you will find the Apache JMeter. So we're going to click on the right mouse button, and we're going to create a shortcut over here, create a shortcut. And now here you can see here is your Apache JMeter into your desktop. So if you click on it 2 times, and you can see Apache JMeter is rightly opened into your computer. So this is how you can download and install JMeter into your computer in a very simple way. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.